From. Starting place or time. I am from United Kingdom. Office hours are from 9 to 5. Since. Starting time until now. I have lived here since 2020. She has been busy since morning. Between. Used for two people or things. The shop is between the bank and the mall. There is trust between you and me. Among. Used for more than two. She was sitting among her friends. The news spread among the students. During. Noun comes after. No talking during the class. I felt sleepy during the movie. While. Clause comes after. Don't talk while I'm teaching. He was smiling while speaking. Through. From inside to the other side. We walked through the tunnel. She looked through the window. Across. From one side to the other, surface. He ran across the road. There is a bridge across the river. To. Movement or direction. I am going to school. Give this book to Ollie. For. Reason, purpose, benefit. This gift is for you. I study English for my career. With. Together, tool. I came with my friend. Cut it with a knife. By. Method, who did it? I travel by bus. The song was sung by her. About. Topic or subject. We are talking about English. I read a story about success. Of. Part or connection. A cup of tea. The door of the room. Over. Covering, movement, across. Put a blanket over the baby. The plane flew over the city. Above. Higher than, no movement. The fan is above my head. The temperature is above normal. Under. Directly lower, covered. The cat is under the table. He is under pressure. Below. Lower level or rank. The temperature is below 0. This answer is written below the line. Into. Movement inside. She walked into the room. Pour water into the glass. Onto. Movement to a surface. The cat jumped onto the bed. He climbed onto the stage. Through. Inside something. We walked through the forest. Light came through the window. Across. From one side to another. She ran across the road. There is a shop across the street. Beside. Next to. He is sitting beside me. The phone is beside the pillow. Besides. In addition to. Besides English, I'm learning Spanish. There were many people besides us. In. Inside something, long time. I live in United States. She was born in 2002. On. Surface, specific day. The phone is on the table. I will meet you on Monday. At. Exact point. He is at the door. The class starts at 9 a.m. Until. Up to a time. Wait here until I come back. The shop is open till 6 p.m. Along. Following a line. We walked along the river. There are shops along the road. Around. Surrounding, nearby. People were sitting around the fire. Let's look around the market. By. Very close, next to. Sit by me. There is a shop by my house. Near. Close, but not touching. The school is near the mosque. I live near the market. Against. Touching or opposing. The ladder is against the wall. They are against the plan. towards, direction. She walked towards me. Work towards your goals. Without, not having. I can't live without my phone. She left without saying goodbye. Except, not including. Everyone came except Ollie. I eat everything except spicy food. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.